Hey, Teacher John here. I thought today we would have a fun space mission to Mars. So let's get started. Let's make a rocket on our paper. Go ahead and draw a triangle on your paper. We're going to send this rocket up to Mars today. We can add some circles for the windows. Maybe we can use the letter S for all the fire coming out of the back of the rocket. And we want to send this rocket to Mars. So we'll make a big red circle on our paper. Now, is Mars a gas planet or would it be a rocky planet? What do you think? That's right, it would be a rocky planet. And I'd like you to say a big word with me. Say terrestrial. Yep, say it again. Say terrestrial. That's right. Mars is a rocky planet with big craters and mountains on it. Now let's make a mission to Saturn. Saturn is what we call a gas giant. Say it with me. Say gas giant. Very good. Go ahead and draw a big circle on your paper for Saturn. Saturn is a gas giant, but we might also say another word. Say this big word with me. Say Jovian. Say it one more time. Try it again. Say Jovian. Yep, when we hear the word Jovian, we might be talking about our gas giant friends. Saturn has rings of ice, dust, and rock. And finally, we're going to add a space probe. A space probe is different from a satellite. A satellite orbits around the Earth, while a space probe goes beyond Earth's orbit. We'll keep it very simple. Make a rectangle for the middle of your satellite. Or, I said it wrong, uh-oh. Even Teacher John makes mistakes with it too. Try it again, say space probe. There we go, it's a space probe. And then we'll add some more rectangles for the solar panels. Where do they get their energy from? Does anyone know? That's right. They get it from the sun. You can add the sun in there shining bright if you'd like to as well. Again, we learned about a rocket headed towards Mars. Remember that Mars is a rocky planet, and another word for rocky planet is terrestrial. We also made Saturn, which is a gas giant. Another word for gas giant is Jovian. We also made a space probe, not our satellite, but a space probe headed towards Saturn. This is Teacher John, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye, everybody.